Hey, little yogis, follow for more fun yoga. Superhero pose. Lean forward, lift your back leg, fly like a hero. Mountain pose. Stand tall, arms down, stay still. Windmill arms. Move your arms in big circles. Side stretch. Reach up, bend to the side. High knees. Lift one knee up, balance. Airplane pose. Lean forward, arms out, fly. Triangle pose. Step wide, reach down, one arm up. Tree pose. Lift one foot, balance, good job. Squat bounce. Bend your knees, go up and down. Forward fold. Bend down, relax your body. Downward dog. Hands down, hips up, make a V. Walking dog. Move your heels one by one. Plank. Stay straight, hold strong, good job. Knees down. Put your knees down, stay steady. Cat. Round your back. Cow. Belly down, look up. Cobra. Push up, lift your chest. Child pose. Sit back, rest. Butterfly. Feet together, flap your knees. Twist. Sit tall. Turn your body. Boat. Lift your legs. Balance. Good job. Hands on heart. Hands on chest. Breathe slow. Good job.